So we have now a deal of the day on the gold, but before that I just wanted to review with you guys the signals which I have sent on last Saturday. As you can see guys, thankfully the EURUSD is already running in profit of 22 pips of profit. Pound USD also now running in 18 pips of profit. AUDUSD hasn't been activated, USDCAD not activated. USDCHF is running in 35 pips of profit. USDJPY has already hit the take profit level. It was really a good comeback. As you can see, this was of course the signal has been triggered and it hit the take profit level with 122 pips of profit. So I believe USDJPY was really one perfect and fantastic signal, and for that please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. NZD however has already also been activated, I think, or not, almost with only 2 pips far away. I will say it's activated and running in 27 pips of profit, but gold has already hit take profit level and even exceeded that without being activated. So now what's next with the gold? Actually guys, I didn't release a midweek analysis video yet because the gold guys is actually having a better opportunity, and many of the signals are actually very close to the entry point. So it doesn't make sense right now to make a midweek analysis, but now for the gold we actually have something to say here. So let me first start, we'll delete the old signal and let's now see what we can do next with the gold. So simply by looking at the daily chart, now we can see guys here a very strong resistance level which hasn't been broken out from, and the market actually kept trying to break out from that level repeatedly, and we have here multiple attempts of a fake breakout without of course any support in the site. So that means that there is a lot of pressure on the market from this level. So meaning the market is indeed unable to close above 2044. That's actually a very strong level of a resistance zone, and the gold is actually able to reach to 2087, but eventually never gonna be able to create here a resistance for a simple reason. Of course, if we look right now at the monthly chart, the new candle of January has already opened and it seems to be bearish, and even December's candle it actually shows a pressure from both parties, from the buyers and sellers of course. However, it's also not really a confirmation for the bearish reversal. The candle before that, the November's candle, is actually a good confirmation for a bearish fall. Since this candle actually guys has closed as inverted hammer on the resistance level, we are expecting the next 2 candles to be bearish. So therefore December's candle was weak, and now January's candle in my opinion gonna be weaker. So therefore we are actually going to short the gold for the upcoming weeks. So now to the deal of the day. Now let's talk about the daily chart. Right here actually on the daily chart we are having of course a real level of a resistance, as we can see right here exactly at 2047.09. The gold guys has always been able to create here a real level of a resistance every single time, with of course 0 attempts of a support. A bullish breakout candle, the instant bearish candle after that. Right here also a bullish breakout candle and then instant bearish candle after that, and the same level has been respected for the last 5 days. So that means that the gold right now is actually reversing right now at the level of a support right here exactly at 2027.86. Now most likely guys we can consider selling the gold exactly right here at the second attempt of the resistance, because those 3 candles right here representing the resistance number 1. Because right here we are having the real level of a resistance, as we can see. Therefore, after the bearish breakout happened, we will start the count. So resistance number 1 within these 3 candles, and right now the market most likely gonna create here a second attempt of the resistance. That's gonna be a best level to start shorting the gold. Moving now to the 4-hour time frame. Now indeed, as we can see right here, right there exactly. So based on the 4-hour time frame, I would recommend to sell the gold exactly right here. Now, let me just tell you something. We have to expect a drawdown. Let me just tell you until when. Until this level of a previous support. Why? Because if we draw here a support trend line, as we can see, what I will do right now is simply noticing right here that we had of course a support trend line which has been broken out from, and right now the gold is actually on the creation of a new resistance trend line. But there is also a possibility, if we look at it from the bigger side, or from a bigger view from there of course. Let me just show you guys this. So right here If we look at the bigger time frame, we are having here support trend line, and another support trend line. It also has been broken out from, as we can see with that bearish breakout candle. So there is a possibility for the market to rise right here and reverse exactly at the same level of a resistance. But there is a chance for a drawdown till the market reach this level of a previous key support level and reach the highest level of a resistance before finally falls back toward our direction. So let's just assume that we can sell the gold exactly right here at the highest level of a resistance, just right there exactly at 2047.01 after the gold rise to another 115 pips. Expected drawdown of 117 pips, and for that reason I would recommend to set a stop loss to be right here above this level of a resistance. That's going to be actually a little big stop loss, which will be approximately 190 pips of stop loss. However, the take profit level is going to be bigger. Of course, it will be right here at the lowest level of a real support at 2016.66, aiming at least 300 pips of profit from this signal. Let me now please write the signal for you. And there goes your deal, my friends, for the gold. And by the way, guys, I'm totally aware that the last deal of the day on the Euro AUD has failed and hit the stop loss. But again, I hope no one here will judge me over one failed signal. Of course, there has been some really rude comments, which is normal. And what we can do, I mean, there is always people who are waiting you to fail, because I mean, okay, the Euro AUD has failed, but what about USDJPY? It hit the take profit level of 120 pips. Euro USD is running in profit. Pound USD running in profit. But of course, some of them, they just didn't see all of that. They just focused on the failure ones. Anyway, guys, don't worry about it. It's really normal, guys, that we will lose some signals. And for that reason, I want to tell you that this signal also might fail. We never, of course, guarantee anything at all. Forex business is never 1 + 1 = 2. It doesn't exist in Forex, unfortunately. And also, I would like to remind you guys to join the free group of Telegram to receive any updates or notifications about this signal. Regarding Euro AUD, guys, I wasn't at home when it hit the stop loss. I looked at it from my phone and it was really running fine. Then after a few hours, I look again and it's already hitting the stop loss. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to send any notifications about it. But hopefully for this gold signal, I will update you guys. So if I notice any price action going against our direction, I will update you on my Telegram channel. You can find the link for this Telegram channel in the description below of this video and in the first comment as well. So again, guys, I hope everyone gonna be successful with our signals, and in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.